Hey everyone, and welcome to another Rosebud Live. And today I'm joined by Lisha and Jason. Lisha, hi. Jason.
Hey,
Yeah, we stream every Monday and Thursday, all about web app development and game development. You also can join us on our Discord in about 20 minutes in Rosebud Lounge. There's a link in the description of this video. And today we have a special topic. A couple of days ago, Grok xAI announced their new model, Grok 3. It seems pretty impressive. If we want to try it out and see how it does in terms of app and specifically game development this time, and compared to what is possible on Rosebud. So I'm going to be making an app on Rosebud, while Leisha and Jason are going to be making app on Rosebud, but using Grok. Because Grok doesn't have API access yet, but nevertheless, you can use their chat interface just to request full code for games and apps. And Lisha, I know that you already made an app, and I used the screenshot for the
yeah,
thumbnail. Do you mind showing it and just so we
sure.
can kind of tease what is possible?
Yeah,
I'm
and
gonna
I
show
can
you a
show
screen right
you.
now.
Yeah, and honestly, guys, like we're not just using Grok. It's just like we use Grok to generate the first pass, and then on Rosebud, you can just keep on iterating. So like, if you guys don't know how to deploy, you don't know how to publish a game, like this is on browser. So like, once you get something you're happy with, you can just publish it and then share it with other people. So we see Rosebud as like a full solution to this. But yeah, so this is what I made. Basically, I just went on Grok and I said, "Hey, make me this like creative mode Minecraft game, the style of Dune, because I like Dune, I like the vibes." And then I told them not to change any of the libraries that are loaded in this Rosebud template because it has 3JS already, it has React, and it generated me something. So I copied it over and then just started iterating. So as you can see, I was like, okay, cool, make it more interesting, give me some like stuff to do, like maybe I'm collecting, in this case I'm like collecting spice, so that's what the orbs are.
Nice.
And so I'll keep on iterating on the game. So even though the first pass was on Grok, we could just keep on iterating on Rosebud because we want to change whatever the first shot did. So I think probably Jason's going to do some variation of that as well.
Do you mind, Alicia? Do you mind showing the Minecraft that you also made?
Oh
Because
yeah,
I
yeah,
think
of
it was also
course.
pretty cool.
Yeah, let's see if
It's
I can
probably
find
somewhere in your
it.
project. Yeah, I think
Yeah.
Alicia
So
posted it on X if you guys want to check it out.
yes, let's see. Yes, I made a couple of these as a test. So let's see. So this one is a Minecraft
Let's do full
clone.
screen.
Yeah, let's see. Oops. And it's a little bit wonky, but yes, also kind of fly. I think I changed some of the controls on this, but yeah, it kind of interpreted the spice really well at first. So let's see. Wait, now, okay. And as you can see, it's a Minecraft-like terrain. And so now I just want to add other creative mode elements, right? So it's a good interpretation of the sand dunes on Arrakis. It's a little bit finite right now, so probably that would be the first thing that I want it to improve on, like procedurally generate. Let's see. So the other one I made also, I was like, okay, let's make it less blocky. So we
Yeah,
can,
that one was a little blocky, but the flying one is really impressive.
yeah. This one is like, I really like this one too. Yeah. Is this the one you're referring to? Yeah, it was just like, make it into, and I was trying to make these sandworms into like the obstacle. And then, yeah, you can kind of fly up, but it's really hard to notice because I made the, it's I'm kind of going up, but it's, yeah. Oh, somebody's asking, I missed the prompt workflow. Okay, so go to play.rosebud.ai. Maybe we'll drop the links. Or actually, here, you can just see on my screen.
Well,
Play.rosebud.
we're going to just show it right now, right?
Yeah. Like, I mean, maybe, okay, whatever. I'll just do it. I know
Yeah.
Jason's gonna as well, but you have a bunch of templates to start in. If you like 3D and 2D, I would say let's try this first, build a web app template. But really what happens is you can build anything in there. And you navigate to the code tab and just copy this entire snippet into, just copy it. And then when you go to Grok, you could be like, hey, make me, hey, make me a Dune inspired Minecraft. Don't change any of the libraries used in this snippet. give me the full code. And so Grok will be good at generating like a one shot. You can't iterate on the code very easily on Grok because it's not like, cursor or whatever. And so that's why you should just copy the code that it generates into Rosebud. And let's see if it actually kind of respected my instructions well here. So I'll just then go to Rosebud again. And
I wanted to say, in the meantime, I'm also going to be creating Dune-inspired Minecraft on Rosebud in parallel. And Jason, you can also start with something, and we can just create 3 projects simultaneously, so it's fun.
Sure.
I'm going to go back to Alicia. Yeah.
Person's question. Yeah. So what I did was basically, I copied that code that it generated, I navigated to the project, and I just replaced the entire snippet, and then you just click save, and then if Grok generated good code, it should have worked. In this case, it actually came out with an error, so you should probably just ask Grok to generate it again. It's like, I got an error. Make sure not to deviate from the original template too much, but make the full Dune-inspired game. And then try it. But also you can do this on Rosebud, like from scratch, as Kirill was saying. Like you just make a Dune-inspired Minecraft. And here we're not using Grok, and using some of the models that Rosebud already has, which is some combination of closed and open source models. And it can also do this from scratch. And so we just wanted to test out Grok and see, is it good? Is it good compared to the state of the art?
Yep. All right, Jason. Alicia is making so many projects already. Jason, what are you up to?
Yeah, Jason, show us.
I can start right now as well. Yeah, it's the same workflow Alicia just went over. I'm heading over to Rosebud AI, and then I'm opening up a build web app template. This one's versatile because you can use it for 2D or 3D. Copying the code from the code tab, heading over to Grok, then make a crazy little playing game. You say based on my current project.
Okay.
Well, let's see what we get.
I also got a response. This is my Dune Minecraft world. It's impressively changing the. Oh my god! I don't even know actually how to navigate, but this is something intense happening.
Beautiful. It is cool. The spice must flow. Cool.
I'm going to make it prettier, as we all learn to do anytime you're not sure what to do. All right, I'm going back to Alicia's screen.
Yeah.
Okay.
So here, this is what Grok gave me this time. Oh no, this is actually what Rosebud gave me. Grok's was broken, so I'm gonna try Grok again. So I was like, okay, you screwed up. Let's copy the code it generated this time. The first time I did it was pretty good. Okay, so that was not good because it didn't deviate too much. Because this is just so I think it just obeyed that too much. But this was my other game, so maybe we'll just go play it. So here, my Grok prompt was just
Jason.
Make a playing game.
Yeah, my first prompt from Grok had some errors, so I'm fixing right now. I might just try another one.
Okay, so my Make It Prettier made it really impressive improvement in terms of spice. That's a lot of spice. All right, let me actually reload. Yeah, I think spice is flowing way too fast.
This is getting psychedelic, trippy overload. The spice. I've flown past this one.
That's interesting. Okay, I want to add a character. Maybe Fremen look like character. Whatever. Let's see. It's gonna figure out. All right, I'm switching back to Alicia.
Okay. Well, this one I'm also trying to make it prettier. So it said add atmospheric effects with fog and golden hour lighting to create a desert planet feel. This is all Rosebud, so we'll see what it does there. And then here, I also tried to add a scoring system. Hopefully it works. Oh no, fix it. Okay, so there's some bug that got introduced. But yeah, I tried to add a scoring system, collectible spice crystals, game goals, and UI updates. So it was pretty ambitious addition. And we'll see how it goes. Okay, This is just a font change. I kind of love this font. Do you guys like this? I feel like it doesn't match the vibe.
Not bad at all. I also wonder. So if Grok makes a mistake, I guess Rosie can also fix it.
Exactly.
Hmm.
Yeah.
The code is not running. Yeah.
Exactly.
All right, Jason, I'm going
Ooh.
back to you. Oh yeah, I also. What is happening? Wow.
What? I love this. It's
So
so
we got
abstract.
this. Yeah, it is. Yeah. So abstract. I said a space game with neon stars, and then from Grok got this one prompt. Got onto
Oh,
Rosebud easily. Now we're flying around too. So now we can try to use Rosie to make it prettier.
yep. Gotta do that.
Yeah.
Okay, bring it back to Alicia. The color is intense.
I know, I like it. I am because I think it's an abstract interpretation of golden hour. I'm not sure what this like triangle seesaw is though. Is that like an ornithopter? Like, its interpretation of one. Maybe we
yeah,
should
it's interesting.
pop up.
Aaron is
generate-
saying spicy, which is
Yeah.
There was a game, by the way, Dune 2000, and I played it when I was a kid. It was like a
Okay.
strategy game, and I wonder if we can try to recreate that one.
Yeah. Well, you can try.
I'm
This
gonna
is
try in a different tab.
No controls. Oh, now we have controls. Okay, good. But no goal. Like, what is this? Okay. Add more gameplay.
Okay,
Dude.
I want to show what I got.
Yes,
so
go for
far.
it.
I have my character that looks like a Fremen in
Okay.
theory. It doesn't really. There's a lot of spice in this Minecraft world, so this is
Yeah,
pretty
it's like-
hilarious. Oh my god! All right,
It's supposed to
I'm
be
gonna.
Oh, I like the sun movement. That was like a really fast day, though. I feel like time is like flying way too fast.
Way too much spice. Interesting, yeah. Gosh. All right, well, I am switching back to Jason. Where are you at?
Well, this is what I got in my project. I asked to be prettier, so a bit prettier. I mean, I don't know what this is I'm flying as. I was trying to make it into like a. Probably gonna try to make it into a spaceship or something, so it's more clear.
Yep.
Yeah, but
right.
again, this is now iterating on Rosebud now. Let's see what we got.
And I want to actually, so as I mentioned that Dune 2000, so I'm going to try to make a Dune 2000 strategy game. I really don't know what to expect. Let's see. I'm switching back to Alicia.
All right, so I asked it to add more gameplay because this is like what is this? It looks pretty, but nothing's happening. So we're going the direction of an ornithopter racing gameplay with add checkpoints, rings, and racing circuit, implement flight controls, add time trials. Okay, let's see. It's still generating code for this because that's very ambitious. Maybe I should have just like scoped it down, but we'll see how that goes. And then did I attempt to do something here? This is still my most visually beautiful one, I think. It's a great interpretation. But I think the goals are collect floating spice crystals. Okay. Ooh, okay. This is... Wait. Did I get it? No. I feel like the controls are like way too sensitive. Okay, we need to make this easier. I cannot collect. I want to accelerate. I want to be able to accelerate with some controls. All right. I feel like you should be able to do that. Okay. Oh. Did this work? Nope. Gotta fix it. Code. Introduce some bug in there. Yeah. But I know, so much spice in all of ours.
Amount of spice.
Are we? This is still.
Sorry, I don't know if you can hear me, but I think the amount of spice almost crashed my computer. So too much spice.
Yeah.
I know somebody share that's like not encountering this bug loop. Maybe Jason.
Sure. I mean, I got.
All right, Jason. How's your project?
Now. Yeah, one problem. I was able to get the spaceship. If you can hear me.
I like it.
We also have our. I tried to add the barrel roll for the ship. I'm trying to see how close I can get this to some of the Star Wars space fights. Let's see what we can
A
do.
death roll.
Yeah, this, and then I got this too. This is 2 prompts.
Oh, I love
Wow.
this.
I've got a bunch of
Yeah,
like
it does.
floating satellites.
Yeah, it does
What
this
you saying,
like
Misha?
geometric. I was just saying that does that nice geometric style well. What is the?
Yeah, it
what is-
does. Yeah.
I feel like I've yeah. What is that name? Like Monument Valley kind of has those,
Mm.
style. It's like a geomet. I'm sure there's like some design name for it that I just don't know. Okay, I can't get out this bug loop, so I'm gonna go to an earlier checkpoint that's working. Did we lose Kira?
Let me see. Maybe it did. Yeah. Try and
I'm
rejoin.
back. I apologize. I think my Chrome just was not being able to sustain all the spice.
Yeah, we got. It probably just kept on creating spice over and over again. So you have to be like,
Exactly.
please don't do that. Don't do that.
So my
Low
yeah,
poly.
so my
Kept on
it's the first
creating
time
more
actually
poly.
for the first time I got like a pop-up like, hey, you're using too much memory. I had like 100 gigabytes of RAM used for.
I had that happen when I was like doing the solar system game, and then I was like, make the render better, and then it just kept on like doing the reflection. Anyways, it did look beautiful until it crashed.
Yeah.
Everything. So, yeah, don't do that. Ask Rosie to like make your code efficient.
Yeah, I'm going to try to do that because I'm not giving up. Jason's project looks amazing though.
Yeah. Okay, Jason, give me some ideas. How do we make this more interesting?
Let me see yours. What do you have right now, Misha?
Somebody was asking if they can add custom images. Yes, you can absolutely upload. We just have generation, there for your convenience, but people can add their own music, their own assets. Just do it. Yeah. Like some people are artists, they bring their own like assets in there, and they create games around it.
Yeah, cool. People even upload this full on like their own 3D models and everything. It's awesome.
Exactly. Like we have musicians uploading their own music, and then so somebody said, or Hogan says, made new file format. Yeah, you should try it. I'm not sure, if we will support that, but I think in 3D we support the usual suspects. So as long as it's available in that form, then it can be uploaded onto the platform.
Okay, I think I fixed my spice issue.
Okay.
Not as impressive anymore, but not at all actually. But there's some spice indeed. And
looks like a space platform. Maybe you should ask for it to like extend the terrain so it doesn't disappear. All of a sudden. I do like that it's moving. Yeah.
Yep. Agreed.
Boots. Hey.
Hey, Lord Boots.
Hey, Lord Boots, how's it going?
I know you too well by the Discord name.
Yeah.
Okay.
I feel like since Grok is free, it's like feel free to ask Grok all of your like Rosie debugging questions. Shove it onto their compute. So seems like we're giving them distribution. That's fine. No, they have distribution. They have enough of that. They're on Twitter.
All right. So, Jason, I think I'm showing your screen, right? Yeah, your game looks so good. I actually like the design. Like the terrain looks really cool.
Yeah, actually, I do like it.
Ooh. Wait, how do I move forward?
I'm switching to Alicia's project. Wow.
Okay. I was just increasing the controls on this, but yeah, like I don't know. I think I need some ideas for. I can't accelerate. It says improve turning mechanics. Add profit. Turn left. I do have turning. I don't have acceleration. I feel like make acceleration controlled by the space bar. feel like I need to like turn off these other things that are making my game slow.
Yep.
What's this?
Right.
Is this another one? Oh, this one. Oh, I forgot about this one. Okay, this one I like too. I don't know why it turns me on my side though. This is not the best. Can want to control turn with the
Hey, Sean. Good to see you.
Hey, how's it going, Sean?
saying, hey, Rosebud power user gang.
Mm-hmm.
Right. So, Jason, you're still using Grok, right? For all of these.
Yeah. So what I did was I started this project off with Grok. Grok created this. I remember that's blob ship and the space environment. That I started iterating with Rosie to add the shooting ability and these enemy planes. I guess I can start another one with
That's
Grok
nice.
though. Let me see.
No, just use Grok to start, and then it's much easier to iterate on Rosebud. Grok doesn't like let you do code editing.
Yeah.
For the same reason why you wouldn't do it on like ChatGPT
Yeah,
or
good point. Yeah.
Claude. Yeah, but it's like not bad for a one shot. Honestly, if they have the API, we should just make it available, especially if it's free. More to the free tier, right? Okay, I'm liking this now. I actually have controls for rotation. Great. Please make the game. Oh, interesting.
I also want to remind everyone who's watching that we are going to be on Discord in a few minutes. Please join us in Discord Live and you can just chat and keep making games together. Okay. Yeah, I love this game, Leisha. Ruckus Creative Flight. Yes.
Yeah.
It's much better.
Yeah, I can do like rotations much better now. I think it's like procedural landscapes. I can't really accelerate, which I'm trying to get it to do, but it's okay. We'll add some obstacles before that. Oh, nice.
Okay. Sean says, hey guys, I love the space shooter game. It's a very pretty space to fly around in. Looks like a legit flight sim with little touches like the spins and stuff. Yeah.
Legit.
Yep.
Okay, wait. What?
I'm done with this now, but yeah, pretty much now you can blow up the enemy ships.
Okay, Hogan was also saying.
Just restart.
Yeah, exactly. We'll just recommend our users. Here are the free APIs to use once you're past your credits, but you can also upgrade.
Coco. Hi, Coco.
Let's make the terrain more varied. Oops. Oh, okay. It's looking good. I think Dune is like the right vibes. Usually if they get it, they'll for sure look good. So slow.
Right, I've been a little busy reading all the comments, but my game is not looking that much different. I think I realized that these are not platforms. These are supposed to be dunes, and they're like moving a little bit because it took me some time to realize.
No, that's why I thought the interpretation was so cute because it's like moving in a like swaying of the sand, you know.
Oh, this is actually much better. I like this more. All right,
yeah,
cool.
I like it. I like it.
Wow. And it's pretty endless.
Flying through obstacles and mine. Okay, wait, am I gonna fly through this dune or am I gonna make it? Oh shoot. Okay. Exactly. Yeah, as Lord Bruce was saying, it's like anything one shot is like not impressive anymore. But I'll be able to iterate.
I love AIs can build a starter app. It's just they can't iterate. Yeah.
Exactly. Iterate on Rosebud. Oops.
Okay, showing Jason's app. Wow.
Yep.
I'm making something else.
Yeah,
right
so I
now?
went back to Grok. I'm asking for a game where there's like a bunch of portals that take you to different dimensions.
Oh,
I want
nice.
to iterate Rosie though, so I can actually walk into the portals. Right now, you have to click on them to go in.
Wow. Okay. So in the meantime, I learned the trick of making endless maps. So I think my map is now endless, and it loads with you moving, so it doesn't actually, eat up all the RAM of your laptop.
Yeah.
So, oh yeah, this is fun. Okay, so I'm supposed to be looking like Fremen, not like this. I don't even know why this is a Fremen.
Well, it's kind of like the still suit, right? The still suit is
Yeah,
dark.
I guess. Yeah,
Ish.
it is. All right.
I can
Going
show
back to
my
Leisha.
endpoint.
Mm.
So I tried to add some obstacles in a time, but I'm still moving
Wow.
too slowly. I want to make the terrain a little bit more varied, but I do like the vibes here. I can like do Dune music. If it's not copyrighted. Make the terrain more varied. Oops.
All right, I'm going to try to add dune worms, meandering around. I don't know if that's the right word, but let's see if it works. All right, Gideon is saying, creating
Yeah.
apps games works best when you have a complete spec. Feed that to the AI. Trying to iterate can go off the rails and lead to more code bloat. That's
That's what we improve on,
Mhm.
allowing you to iterate for fun without leading to code bloat.
Yep.
How big? Somebody's interested in loading bigger size assets. I mean, that it's browser based, so you want to be able to be a bit more efficient here. Oh yay, now we have more varied terrain.
And I have worms. Wow,
Yeah, I
these
should add
worms are
worms to
crazy.
it.
All right, I'm switching to Alicia's. Can you show in full screen?
Mine? Oh yeah, sure. Shoot.
Wow.
Yeah.
All right, it's a little. There's going
It's
to
a
be a
little
point. Yeah. So bigger size assets. Let us know what size, because I think
bigger
it's up
is-
to 19 megabytes right now.
Yeah, but we'd recommend it to be small if you want it to like perform well in browser too.
Yeah. Yeah. Since these are browser games, you gotta be you gotta keep in mind efficiency. Yeah.
Yeah.
So it's not like we want to limit you. It's just we want your game to actually work.
Actually, all our games are on the React template. So that's the first one. Should I show? Somebody was asking if Jason's game was made.
Yeah, absolutely. We're showing your screen right now.
Okay, yeah. So it's just this one in the template. Build web app. It's not just a web app. It's like a React template that also has 3JS in it. So that's why it's pretty flexible.
Yeah, Sean also says, I want to remix that teleprompter game, Jason. It would be nice to have a sandbox you can build your own world in. Could even build stuff in your worlds, like Minecraft creative mode. Well, yeah. I guess we can slowly move to Rosebud Lounge on Discord, and you all should join, and we're gonna share the links to what Jason built and other games, because we usually drop the links in the chat over there. So yeah, if you guys are free, Sean, Coco, let's go.
Awesome.
Yes, sir.
Being that people have to download the entire asset to play the game, I would keep them small, to be honest. Yes, that's the point. Yeah. So if it's hundreds of megabytes, it's just unfeasible to load anything in a browser.
This is some very interpretive sandworms, like big cylinders.
Yeah, I know.
Like what?
Wait. Oh, whoa, these are cool. Okay, you also added sandworms.
Yeah. It's the key ingredient of Arrakis.
Yep. What Aaron says, thanks. I have a flat 2D space shooter game I want to 3D. Well, we have plenty of shooter 3D games that you can remix and make your own. Or you can just also start from React 3D template. I think in one of the streams a couple of weeks ago, we made a really cool shooter. You can look it up. Jason, what's it called? The donut one?
Oh, it's pretzel one. You can go to the homepage real quick. It's like number 3 or something. Robo/pretzels.
Okay.
I can show my screen actually.
I'm showing
Sure.
you right now.
Over here, if you scroll right down past the template, you can see like the games made by other creators on Rosebud. Yeah, almost all of these are created by basically by other creators just like you. But here's one that I collaborated on with a few members that are actually going to be on Discord right now. Robo/Pretzels.
Okay.
It's created from this same starting
Nice, yeah,
template,
that's well.
but then it's a full-on shooter, so you can actually just remix it.
Oh my god, you definitely
Yes,
improved
I
it.
did.
Wow, it looks so much. Whoa, it looks so fun. Oh wow. Okay, good job.
Yes,
Jason.
it's cool, pretty cool project collaborated on by a few people. So remix it if
Yep.
you want. You can get some cool stuff in it.
All right, I know we have Sean on Discord. We should also join him and just keep hanging out there. Please, if you're watching us, feel free to join our Discord and yeah, just hang out more in Rosebud Lounge and actually chat. Okay, I'm going to start sharing this tab. Hey, Sean.
Hello.
You
I'm
are on
so
the stream.
excited to play these games, man. Gotta link these.
Right.
Gotta link these, Jason.
Nice.
Okay, we see
yeah,
a lot of things right now.
Everything, all my DMs. No. Okay. No.
Oh no.
Um,
Okay. Coco, hi.
oh no. Now you can see.
Yeah, also, Jason, can you, so Sean, you wanted to have one of the games that Jason made?
Yeah, the teleporter one.
Yeah, Jason, if you can just
Looks
share
so
it in the Discord lounge chat, that would be great. And you got a comment, the day we can export our games is going to be a good day.
We were definitely working on that. Apologies.
Totally.
People have been
When
asking for it now.
our side hustles
Hear
are gonna
you.
blow up. I'm gonna be like crazy on the apps for sure.
Yep.
Can't wait.
Hey, y'all.
Yeah, okay.
Hey,
Wow, we have a lot of people. You got a comment today?
Yay.
Yeah, we do. Roots, Coco. Oh
Hello,
man,
hello.
Rooted Nomad. I don't know who that is, but welcome to the party.
Alicia, can you also join on Discord? Yeah, because otherwise they can't hear you on Discord.
I just closed it.
Nice.
Alicia, please share some of your awesome games. They look so cool.
Yes, we'll do right now.
Like, I want to fly through space with my jaw dropped. Vibe out.
Just linked the Portal project in the chat if you also remixed it.
Okay, Jason, you also feel free to keep sharing the screen of how you iterating.
Sure.
Okay, yeah, I'm in Jason's, like, in the hub. You can see it on my screen. There's, like, these teleporters. They all have, like, a different vibe. Awesome. I want to go to this, like, psychedelic one. Click in it. That doesn't work. Oh, no. Jason, I don't know how to go. You're just
cool.
Yeah, the portals are cool.
We gotta put something behind the portal. Alright, so I'll remix it. Get started.
Yeah, please remix this and add actual stuff the portals do. Thank you.
Make my game for me.
One of them's just a meat grinder.
Yes. I feel like a alien world would be really cool.
All right. All right, Jason. So, are you adding something else to the game?
Yeah, just want to quickly publish this one as well so people can mix.
Oh, I get the spice thing now.
Yep.
They were Dune based.
Yep.
Okay, I'm also gonna keep working on my Dune project.
You can make some pretty good ground terrain just by manipulating a plane mesh.
Yeah, exactly.
All right, Jason shared the project in the chat as well. And Lisa shared her
Mhm.
project in chat, so if you want to check it out.
Yeah, I do want to check it out. It's like, well, Rosie does all the hard work of making a whole new world. I can just go and be a barrel roller.
Yeah.
Nice.
Wow,
This is really cool.
so cool. I'm doing barrel rolls. Oh my god, where is everyone? I want to like shoot them down.
I spread them out, so it take a while to
Yeah.
get there.
Also, I'm gonna
Um,
feature Coco for a little bit. He has a lot of Rosebud swag in the back. That's really cool. Yeah,
That's
Coco
so cool.
is one of our power users. He got one and only Rosebud hat. So that's awesome.
Wait,
Thanks, Coco.
Coco, let's team up, bro. Hold up.
Team up. I'm down to team up.
Oh wow!
I'd be happy to team up.
Oh,
Nice.
we in the house.
Sean built as well.
Rosebud house.
Heck yes.
Sean and Holt. Yeah, that's awesome.
Oh my gosh. I'm not.
Love it.
I like. I want a flag now too. I love the merch.
It's a tote bag.
Oh wow.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's cool. Okay. So Rosie's demoing a new world.
Nice.
Unfortunately, I'm not in it yet. So I'm
Thanks,
gonna
Coco.
just change it.
Yeah, no, thank you. It was a great gift. Actually, I have one of the stickers on my computer and then a pin on my work hat.
Oh wow, that's awesome.
Keep it up, and people are gonna think you're staff.
Yeah, I love the shirt as well, matching.
Oh my gosh!
Oh yeah, I love the red.
Yeah, it's a good color.
Wow!
Sean, okay,
I
you're
have
sharing
an
your screen.
alien world. Oh my gosh, this is so creepy. All right, so some good tips from Boots said to change the round plane to be more, I don't know, alien. That is good. I'm feeling like there's gonna be like, oh yeah, there's gonna be some weird stuff, some crystals. All
Right.
right, let's do that.
Jason, what are you working at the time? Because you're working on 2 projects, it seems like, at the same time.
Yes, I am. I want to make this project a bit cooler because right now everything looks the same that's flying around. Well, they have a bit of a difference, but they all look similar. Then I want to add a threat that's
Okay.
attacking
Wow.
all of us here.
Are you still using Grok, or you kind of like gave up and just using Rosie?
No, again, this it's all first prompt Grok and then iterating after.
Okay, so not much left probably from from that first code that you used from Grok. Looks really cool though.
Yeah, I mean,
Is it
yeah,
worth
the
doing it all?
environment- So say again.
Starting off with
Yeah.
Grok?
Well, we wanted to
Yeah,
test it out. Yeah, Jason, what's your opinion now?
Yeah.
Also, Alicia, if you have
yeah.
an opinion.
Yeah, so especially if there's certain projects that any model like Grok, for example, is really good at, it can be useful to do one shot in order to save like time on the first prompts. But for the project I have right now, maybe not for this one. I have to try out more projects to see if there's any particular type of project that Grok is very good at doing one shot for, pretty much.
Honestly, since these reasoning models have been coming out, I've been using Perplexity to create like a base high level structure to my game, and then I give that to Rosie so we can follow a structure so that I don't deter from it, because like usually when I start off writing a game, it's kind of I'm adding things as I go, which can lead into problems. So I'd rather just like plan out the entire thing, even if it's a small game.
Yeah, you need a roadmap.
Definitely.
Yeah. I think that's one thing Rosebud's like. That's not Rosebud's strength. Rosebud's like building the thing step by step as fast as possible, and you have to like kind of figure out what the thing is sometimes. So I think that's where the other models can help a lot.
It'd be cool though if Rosie had that kind of like functionality to
Yeah,
to
thinking
kind of like
about-
push towards.
Yeah, totally. In the way that you're saying, it's just sort of like, how do we layer it in so it's not like, annoying for the first time user, but like for the more pro user, you get that kind of, let's design the actual roadmap experience.
Yeah.
If I'm designing a really like advanced feature, I typically ask her to write a note in the script, like telling it the roadmap, and then I get her to refer back to the roadmap when I want to advance through the steps.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, I like having that idea of like, the Rosie knows the roadmap too, and you're using the code to do that. I think even for like beginner users, there's like a huge like mental load just off your shoulders whenever there's like a map. um, I've
That's
built
true.
stuff with people who are just like never coded before, and it's like their first game, and whenever we're all like trying to track, what is our roadmap out loud, it's like, oh my god, there's so much things to do. So I've always wondered, like, what if Rosie had a notepad? You could just like switch between the chat and the notepad. Like that'd be a huge difference.
Like a section to where you put all your game ideas. Pretty much, you just talk to her about all your game ideas.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Something very simple.
that's
But
cool.
like there, your ideas are there, and you can just kind of refer back to them, so you know where you're headed. I also think that AIs can be really great at that. In the same way that, like, how can Rosie help you edit your plan? In the same way that she can help you edit your code.
Yeah, I often like run backwards and forwards between 2 or 3 different AIs when I'm doing this sort of stuff. So I'll like get one AI to run a roadmap. I'll run that roadmap through another AI, and then I'll run it back through the original AI just as a sanity check, and then we'll go from there.
Do
Wow.
you sleep?
Yeah, how does that... yeah. How much easier is it for you then?
Quite a lot easier, because like the first AI writes a roadmap that it thinks is great, but like because they're really enthusiastic, they go overboard with stuff and actually they just write stuff that's not possible. And so you feed it to the next AI and just ask it to audit it, and it'll audit it and kind of like reel it back in a bit, and then you give it back to the same AI and say, here's the modified version, can you please just add a slight bit to that? And it usually does a pretty good job of getting you something that's actually feasible.
That's very big brain. I like how you have the sanity checks. That can be difficult working with one AI. It feels like that's their worst. That's their biggest weakness.
So I actually have a major in physics, and when I talk to AI about the physics application, it's wrong, like, I don't know, 50% of the time. But you can always get it back on the track by kind of feeding it to another AI and saying to it, check for any inconsistencies, and it'll pretty much edit what the other AI did and get it a lot closer to the truth.
I was switching between AIs a lot, and it was just too much to manage. I just stick with Rosie and GPT, or in
It can
Perplexity.
be. I typically go for Copilot first because it's built into Windows and it's just easier.
I hate Copilot.
Copilot
it's
writes
quick,
amazing code. It's really
it?
bad at conversations. Yeah, like its code is flawless. Its
Okay.
conversations are horrible. Like the way it explains things to you, it will write code and then tell you exactly how the code doesn't work.
Great. Charming.
Yeah, it's great. As someone who actually understands the code, you can see it straight away when it's telling you it's just stuff that's wildly inaccurate, but the code itself is fine.
Yeah, I've had bad luck with Copilot myself.
Yeah, I think if it understands the scope of the problem, it's fine, but if it misunderstands you even slightly, it likes to do that enthusiastic thing, and it goes like 10 times down the league that it thought you were thinking about.
That's probably, what's happening. I just use it for quick questions now. Or if I needed to do it. look
Pretty
for
much all the
something.
coding stuff I do on Rosebud and ChatGPT, Copilot, and DeepSeek now are pretty much just the chatting about how the project should work or how features should work before I start implementing them.
Oh my gosh, wait, there's some very creepy alien stuff happening in my game now. Oh my
Let's
gosh,
see.
Let me see.
being chased around.
Yeah.
My boogers. This is so weird.
At some point, those trees branches were rotating, and I don't know if that was asked for or not.
Yeah, that's weird. Oh my gosh,
Cool.
this is all so weird and creepy and cool. We definitely need more of like those. What are these trees? I want like kind of want like what you guys have been showing off on stream, like procedural worlds. It's just
Oh,
looks
yeah, the
so
Turing.
cool.
Okay.
Well, after we made RoboStash, I've been going through and just making hundreds of like procedural classes that are just a single mesh.
Definitely drop some links, bro. I want to check that out.
Yeah.
I'm making a whole
On
library
Rosebud.
that hopefully you should be able to just give a list to her, and because the library's there and they all work exactly the same, she should be able to just use it.
That's really cool. I love that. Like whenever you're making the making it easy for like Rosie to work with this like really advanced, cool stuff in just one prompt. Love it.
We're getting there.
So much that you feel like it's not possible until you see it.
Well, I wanted to say that we definitely tested Grok, and want to finish this stream on YouTube, Twitch, LinkedIn, anywhere. Thanks everyone for joining. We're gonna keep hanging out here in Rosebud Lounge. Anyone can join and just keep building with us. Thank you, and see you in the next one.
Bye bye.
See everyone.